is Girona's Flower Festival. You can see a lot of crowd around me. And what happens here is, okay, this is the Arab Baths. People have flower, it's a flower exhibition, so artistic, in an artistic way, flowers and other organic material is used. This is interesting. This is how many of the alleys and stairs are decorated. And then of course there are lots of tourists, so okay, let me turn this around.
¡Ay, qué gracioso! ¡Mira el sol!
Sí, una vez entramos. Una vez entramos.
No, yo no entré.
La única vez que fui con
Mira, mira.
¿Estás segura? Sí, entré conmigo. Porque se hace el
Yeah. So whenever there's a festival, as you know, I've said this before, in Catalonia every festival is a moment to celebrate Catalan identity. And here we have lots of tourists, but also lots of activities, lots of people standing in different places. Many of the exhibitions are open air, but I think some are also inside. Like, for example, for the Banyo Arab Bath, you have people standing in the queue. I'm not even sure if there's a ticket for it or not. I don't really see anyone carrying a ticket, but maybe they do. But yeah, it's always fun. Girona is a very, very tourist-friendly city. Lots of tourists come from Barcelona to Girona, and it's not enough time. I also want to go to Costa Brava now, so just don't have enough time to explore the city, but it's something interesting. You can see lots of historical buildings, lots of history. I wanted to see the Arab Baths, but with this kind of crowd, it's really impossible. So I'll show the cathedral, which is the most beautiful decoration, I believe, and then I'll have to head back as somebody is waiting for me before we take the bus to Costa Brava. This is a very beautiful architecture. This is yeah. Let me just show quickly the cathedral. I don't believe it there. Sí, que fem la plaça.